देखो.
It's fine.
Are we live?
Yes, we are live. What do you want to do? You want to stop the comments or are you good with them?
Sure, we can stop them. Hello everybody. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're all well today. It's Monday. We have not worked out for 2 days. थोड़ी सी एनर्जी आज उसमें नहीं है. किसमें? उस फॉर्म में जो हम लोग डेली वर्कआउट कर रहे होते हैं, तो एक बना होता है रूटीन. But I hope आप लोगों का रमजान अच्छा गुजर रहा होगा and that you guys are staying active, staying healthy, staying fit, trying to eat healthy. I know it's a big task, लेकिन कुछ अपनी choices को healthy करें और कोई ना कोई activity रखें. Seher and I are here again to guide you through a 30-minute home-based workout session. What are we starting with?
Okay, so we're going back to what we did on day 1. So we're going to do abs and Tabata. And I know you liked it.
I did.
Yeah, you did, na?
मैं जितना भी complain करूँ ना बीच में,
Yeah.
असल में तो जितना मुश्किल होता है उतना अच्छा.
अच्छा होता है, हाँ.
हाँ.
अच्छा, कभी कहीं हमें लगेगा कि you know we're losing out or whatever, so we can like skip exercises or shorten the rounds. But like I said, abs and Tabata for today. For abs we have 3 exercises. I'm going to start showing. अच्छा, पहली है is straight leg raises. So you'll be on the floor. If you want to keep your chest lifted, that's up to you.
ठीक है.
You just drop it here.
ठीक है,
You put your hands on your temples. Your temples are here.
Right.
So not behind your head. You lift your legs up.
Okay.
Feel a crunch in your lower abs and then drop.
ठीक है.
Drop करोगे तो floor पे नहीं
So
रखना.
this is for the abs.
Yeah, 2
ठीक
inches
है.
apart.
Tabata में हम body के हर part को target कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, पहले abs कर रहे हैं, फिर warm up करेंगे, फिर Tabata करेंगे.
Tabata है क्या?
Tabata is 20 on, 10 off. So
20
intense
on?
movements, yeah.
Oh my god, it actually means Tabata means 20 something something.
Yeah, no.
No?
No.
Could be Tabata.
Could
10,
be, yeah.
10, 20, 10. कुछ हो सकता है. सोचेंगे.
Yeah.
Okay.
So 20 on 10, वो मैं next में बताती हूँ after the abs. Okay, then we have bicycle crunch. So again, you keep me on the floor because आपने मुझे बताया ना कि back का थोड़ा होता है when you lift the chest. So if you want to keep your chest lifted, that's fine. Or keep it down and then, left to right.
Right.
Okay?
People who have a weaker back should
Yeah.
keep their chest down.
Exactly. And I'm going to put a mat for you too.
ठीक है.
If you mat हो जाएगा. Okay, then we have flutters.
Right.
Flutters, again, hands on your temples.
कोई आया है?
That must be my sister.
Oh.
She must have come back
Yeah.
from running. Okay, again, you keep your chest down onto the floor, hands on your temples, and then flutters are these.
Okay.
What I'm doing with my legs.
I think someone हाँ. पूछो कौन है? Because they'll keep on ringing.
Yeah,
if you-
otherwise.
That's the thing without ringing. Okay.
Is he gone?
Okay, ये हो गए abs.
Gone.
3 movements, 35 seconds each. Then we're going to get into a 20
Gone.
seconds break after we're done with the 3 exercises. और हम इसके 4 rounds करेंगे.
Done.
ठीक है? So
Done.
7 minutes for abs and then the warm up and then then Tabata. अच्छा, Tabata के लिए we have 5 movements. One is squat jump. Squat jump. So hands down. ये होंगे weights इधर and we're gonna.
Got
ठीक है?
it.
Yeah. So we've done a squat jump but without the weight.
Oh, today
ठीक
we're
है? Now
adding weights to
we're
Tabata.
adding weights because I mean, like she said, 2 days break. We have to get it back into the form and
हाँ.
then we're gonna kick.
ठीक है.
Okay, then we have weighted jacks. And I know, I mean, you have a lot of like,
Oh.
no,
Okay.
like your shoulder, right? So you have to like maneuver with the movements.
I mean, I'm pretty alright.
Yeah, so इधर नहीं, मुझे ये है कि बस दर्द ना हो, jack ऊपर.
ये
So
नीचे-
ज़्यादा मुझे ऊपर डाले जाना नहीं. जब open कर रहे हो, jack कर रहे हो, तो हाथ ऊपर जाएंगे. And then yeah. So what we otherwise do is we do a regular jack,
Got
right?
it.
So now we're doing a weighted jack.
Got it. अगर आपके पास weights नहीं है, dumbbells नहीं है, don't get scared, guys. You can use a water bottle.
Right here.
There you go. अगर इसके साथ करेंगे आप,
मजा आएगा.
You hold it like this,
And
right?
fill it up
And
completely.
you do this.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, then exercise 3 is lateral climbers. Aisha, if your back shoulder hurts, then you skip to a regular plank. अच्छा, हमने किए थे mountain climbers on day 1. Now we're going to shift to lateral climbers. क्या होते हैं आप चलिए. So we brought the knees in like this, right? Now we're gonna left to right. So these are lateral triangles.
Ooh.
These will be quite intense though. Okay, then we have squat and jack. So squat and jack is you jack and you come in a squat, in a narrow squat.
So
you jack, yeah, and you come back in a narrow squat. Jack,
narrow squat.
squat,
So
jack.
ऐसे आपने किया,
हाँ.
और फिर आपने अपनी टांगें
Exactly.
एकदम
Knees
से
joining
नीचे.
in. Knees joining in should be 2 inches apart when you come back in a narrow squat. Yeah. You got that, girl.
Oh, but it's gonna be tough.
Oh my god, yeah.
All right.
Okay, then we have weighted running on the spot. So again, weight here, elbows down, you run. What you can also do is, you can open your legs like this, bring the running in, bring the running out to
Okay.
make it interesting.
ठीक है जी.
Ah, ready?
Ready?
Abs?
शुरू करें फिर?
Yeah.
चलें जी.
I just put a mat for you for abs.
Okay.
Now
Do I
let me
need
push.
it?
Yeah.
Okay.
हार जाएगा.
अगर आपके घर में मैट नहीं है, किसी भी सॉफ्ट कारपेट के ऊपर करेंगे.
Yeah. और अगर वुडन फ्लोर है तो बेस्ट है कि वुडन फ्लोर पे करें. घर पे अगर किसी का है तो
अच्छा.
ये हार जाता है ना सीमेंटेड एंड मार्बल.
Okay. Tell me, हमने वार्म अप करना है पहले अभी.
पहले abs फिर warm up.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's begin, guys.
Okay, so straight leg raises हैं, ठीक है?
Straight
Hands on your temples.
leg raises.
Yeah. We're gonna lift them up, crunch, and then put them back. So 3, 2, 1.
Am I lifting
Yeah.
my chest?
No, don't lift your chest. लेकिन legs को नीचे नहीं लगाना. Yeah, right here. Good. That's good. So you breathe in as you bring the legs up. You breathe out as you take the legs.
Ulat.
Ulat. You're doing. वैसे contraction पे breathe in करते हैं. Try that. Okay. Good. 10 seconds. This is cycling में मैं थक गई. I got a little tired. Good. 5 seconds. As soon as it rings, Aisha, we're gonna get into bicycle crunch. So left to right elbow. Switch. Yeah, hands on your temples. Yeah. Good. Are you good with it? Good. That is awesome. Yeah. Kick ass. I thought you were tired. Literally high on energy. Good. Keep cycling. Okay, so what she's doing is, as she's bringing her right elbow in, she brings her left knee in. So that's a bicycle crunch. 10 seconds. As soon as it rings, we're going to shift to flutters. Good. Looks good. 3, 2, okay, 1. There's no break. Right, drop your legs down. Chote. Okay. Small, yeah.
Put your hands behind your.
Yeah, lower back अगर है तो you can even put your hands. Yeah, that's good. Crunching. Yeah. We have a 15-second break. Aisha, come on. The start was great. Slightly lower, closer to the
Hurting
floor.
my back. I'm sorry.
Lower back.
Really hurting my back.
Oh, okay. Last 2 seconds. Next round में plan कर लेंगे. Break. 15
Why is
seconds
it
break.
hurting my back? It shouldn't, क्योंकि मैं करती हूँ ये.
That's the thing. Maybe you're tired.
I'm
exhausted.
tired. मैंने
Yeah.
आज 2 घंटे बाइकिंग की.
5 seconds. What did you do on the weekend? Chilling alone.
No.
3, 2, 1.
What am I
Let's
doing?
go. You're doing single leg jack. Straight leg jack. Nice. Yeah. Straight leg raises.
मम्मी खेल you क्या
I
jack
know.
करना है मैंने?
Single leg. सब कुछ mix
What
हो गया.
jack?
I know, man. Yeah, looks good. Are you feeling a crunch in your abs? Good. Keep shaking. Another 15 seconds, Aisha. Looks good. Guys, अगर आप legs check out करोगे, so when she brings the legs down, okay, bicycle punch. Left to right. Yeah, left to right. Good. Okay, you still have 25 seconds. Looks good. Nice. I like what you're wearing on one ear. Looks cool. 10 seconds. Keep crunching. अगर flutters नहीं हो रहे तो you can turn around, get into a plank. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, okay, 1. Let's go. I should turn around and get into a plank. Okay, guys, when you're doing a plank is one of the bestest movements actually for the core. People don't take planks seriously. उनको लगता है कि जब तक crunch नहीं करेंगे, sit-ups नहीं करेंगे, तो abs की engagement नहीं होगी. इधर आप सिर्फ core use कर रहे हैं, of course, upper body too. Good. 15 seconds. 15 seconds. We're down with roughly 2 rounds. We're going to take a break and we're going to do 2 more. Good. 5 seconds, Aisha. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, 1. You can take your break.
2 more of abs.
Yeah, 2 more abs. So 7 minutes, and then 3 minutes of Tabata. Okay, stay ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, Aisha. Come on. Yeah. Straight leg raises. Looks good. Guys, like I said, you can check her legs out. When she's bringing the legs down, वो ज़मीन पे नहीं रख रही. But obviously, if you haven't worked out ever, what you can do is you can take it easy. You can drop your legs flat onto the floor and then get into a raise.
How to breathe?
Good. In when you're contracting. So you need to breathe in when you're taking the legs up. That's what I do. Works for me. Okay, 5 seconds. Yeah, and then out. You feel better, right? 3, 2, okay, 1.
No,
That's
I
good.
like it the other way.
Achha, works for you. Crunches. Good. Good. 25 seconds. Okay, you still have 20 seconds. Great, Aisha, come on. Keep pumping. Guys, अगर किसी ने अभी join किया है, तो we started off with abs. We're going to do warm up. इसके बाद immediately, and then we're going to hit the Tabata. Good. You still have 5 seconds, Aisha. Good. Keep crunching. As soon as it brings, you turn around. Turn into a plank, elbow plank. 3, 2, 1. Turn around it. Come on. Good, good, good. Legs out. Yeah. So 35 seconds. Again, guys, check out her posture. It's completely on point. Her bum, lower back, upper back, neck, chin, every muscle group is in line. Good. 15 seconds. जब अक्सर लोग प्लान करते हैं तो उनका बम या स्टिक आउट कर रहा होता है या वो ड्रॉप कर रहे होते हैं अपनी लोअर बैक. Good. 10 seconds. Good, good, good. Aisha, come on. You can do this. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, 1. That's a break. We're going to do another round. Muscle exhaust करना है ना वही. Over and over again. Okay, 5 seconds. Stay ready, Aisha. Turn around. We're going to get into straight leg raises. So hands on your temples. Your temples are here. Good. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Are you smiling? Drop your legs a little lower, closer to the floor. Awesome. Keep pumping.
Oh, so tough.
Last few seconds, last few seconds. Good. 3, 2, no, you still have 10 seconds. Good, pick up. 5 seconds, give me 2 more reps. So crunch, drop the legs down, crunch, drop the legs down. Okay, bite to the crunch. Let's go, left to right. Good. Are you good? Great. So guys, last 2 movements for the abs. Then we're going to take a break. And for 20 seconds, और फिर हम warm up start करेंगे. Warm up वही है. Inshallah, कल या परसों we're going to change the warm up a little. Okay, 15 seconds. Keep crunching left to right. 10 seconds. Looking good, Aisha. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Last few reps. Last few important reps. 3, 2, 1. Okay, turn around. Get into an elbow plank. Fast. Good. Now 35 seconds. Come on. Good. 30 seconds. Okay, good. Last 25. Last 20. 20 seconds, Aisha. Okay, 15 seconds. Last 15, guys. Looks good. Last 10. Last 10. Don't drop. Last 5. Aisha, come on. 5, 4. Stay in a plank. 3, 2, 1. Drop. Good. 15 seconds break.
I don't know why, but my back's really hurting.
Yeah. Even my lower back is hurting. I'm kind of exerted. So, cycling, then sessions and all of that together. So, I think we need to fuel our bodies well. We need to stay hydrated as much. एक दिन योगा करते हैं. इस तरह का जब connect नहीं हुआ था.
Today I'm not hydrated. मैंने आज फिर coffee.
Oh my god. No way. Okay, get up.
My guilty pleasure, non-guilty pleasure.
Let's go. 5,
What?
4, comma, 3, 2, 1.
What are you doing?
Go. We're doing arm rolls. What we usually do. Yeah. Nice and easy. Long, long and deep breaths. In and then out. Yeah. 5 seconds. Looks amazing. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, 1. We're going to get chest openers.
Yeah. Back दूसरी side.
अच्छा बैक कर अच्छा कोई बात नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा
ठीक
नंबर
है.
Squeeze 20 seconds का good nice 5 seconds 4 3 2 up jumping jacks 1 okay let's go out come on jacks these are your favorite right okay 15 seconds guys 2 stretches and then 1 intense movement. Now we're going to shift to 2 lower body stretches and then again jacks. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, okay 1. That's go. We're going to bring the knee in and then stretch the leg out.
मुझे ये bother कर रहा है.
Good. Yeah. Carpet. Okay, so bring the knee in and then stretch the same leg out. Good. Bring the other knee in and then stretch the same leg out. 5 seconds. 4, good. 3, 2, okay, 1. Shift, side lunges, you know side lunges. So one side and then the other side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep a kettlebell in one of the corners. I can hit it up. Slip ho jata hai na. You have to be very careful with these things, by the way. Slip na kare, you know, all of that.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Let's go, jacks. Move. Great. Keep jacking.
It was nice to
10 seconds.
do the jumping jacks on the mat.
Acha?
Ah.
Oh, yeah. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2. Okay, legs wide. So we're going to get into a back bend. Put our hands on the floor and then up. So we're going to do this a little faster because we're doing pre-workout stretches. So you drop down. Yeah. So exhale as you come up. You inhale as you go down. 3, 2.
Ulta.
Okay, 1. Achha, ulta. Let's go. Jack. Jumping jacks, Aisha, last time. 20 seconds. Good.
You remove my mat, you know.
You want the mat. Okay. Tabata we use kar lenge. I thought you were slipping on the mat, so I removed
No, I
it all.
said I want to fix
Oh,
the carpet.
5, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
What are we doing?
We're doing squat jumps. So.
Okay. How?
So one weight, you pick up 2. So ऐसे करेंगे. One weight would be in the center.
Okay.
Arms straightened out and you do a squat jump with the weight.
Okay.
Okay?
Can you just give me a minute?
Yeah, yeah.
एक तो बाल जो है ना, doing them in a bun.
Yeah.
The best thing to do when you're working out, either a pony
Yeah.
or
Too many
a
pins.
top bun, guys. And make sure कि आपकी movement रुके मत जब आप
Isn't this bothering you?
the earring?
Yeah.
Not at all.
Wow, that's amazing.
Why would the earring bother me?
I don't know.
No. Earring नहीं मुझे bother कर रहा, मुझे मेरे बाल when they. Sorry guys, sorry I'm
बहुत
stopping.
ठंडा हो रहा है.
हो तो रहा है लेकिन अब क्या करें? चलो जी.
Chalo ji. So 20 on, 10 off. Each exercise twice. We're starting off with squat jumps, weighted, one weight in between, arms straightened out.
So
3.
one, I have 2.
No, 1. Pick up 1.
Oh.
1. If you feel you were able to do it with 1, then pick up another.
Oh.
3, 2, 1. Let's go.
I'm
Let's
gonna
go.
follow you.
Yeah, yeah. You start.
I don't know. How
Oh,
to
squat jumps. Okay. 3, 2.
Oops.
Okay.
I'm
1.
blank.
Let's go. 1. Jump. 2, 3, 4. Okay. So what are you doing with the breathing? मैं वो follow करती हूँ. उल्टा हो जाता है वरना. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, 1. That's a break.
Too
10
light.
seconds. Yeah. Too light. Pick up 3 then. 1, 3. Yeah, that's 3. 3, 2.
Same?
Yeah, 1. Repeat. Squat jump. Okay. Guys, again, check out the posture. Your knees are behind your toe. मैं बार-बार वही squat का बोलती हूँ, but squats become very important because you're playing around with your lower body. If you get the squats wrong, you can actually hurt your knee. Don't do that. 3, 2, 1. That's a break.
We're not breathing right, so can you tell us how to breathe?
Yeah. Acha, longish.
No, tell me when to inhale and exhale.
Okay, I'll tell you. 5. Okay, let's go. So 2 reps. Guys, jacks. Showing you from the side. So jack. Yeah, good. That's the break.
Oh God, my hair is opening again.
Oh my God. अच्छा तो मैं longish breathing करती हूँ.
ठीक है.
2 reps के बाद exhale, फिर in, फिर exhale.
ठीक है.
Let's go. Baby jacks, Aisha, come on.
So.
Yeah. 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 Actually, you breathe faster. Maybe that works for you, Nabil. 5 seconds, good. 5, 4, 3, 2, okay, 1. That's a break. Now we're going to get into lateral climbers.
Okay.
Would you be fine?
What was that?
So on the floor.
On the floor.
And then left to right. Yeah. Good. I take longish. Okay, good. Yeah. It works for me. Good. 5 seconds. Are you feeling better with longish? Or you're fine with yours? 3, 2, okay, 1. That was kick ass. Good, good, good. We're going to do another round of lateral climbers, guys. So stay ready. In 3 seconds, Aisha.
Oh God.
3 with the open hair. 2, 1. Let's go. Good. Good. Lateral climbers are actually tougher than mountain climbers because you're then, trying to put your knee in towards the other side. 5 seconds, Aisha. Don't stop. Don't stop. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right till we get up. Tie your hair. 10 seconds. We're going to get into squats and jacks.
But that, can you
Okay,
show
fine.
us?
Yeah.
I forgot.
The jack hai and a narrow squat. Jack and a narrow squat. That's it. Jack, narrow squat, jack, narrow squat, jack. Yeah, good. Okay, good. We're sync. We're in sync. We were in sync. Our breathing was in sync. 5 seconds. We're going to do another round, guys. Stay ready. 3, 2, 1. Okay, good. Nice and easy. We still have 10 seconds, Aisha. 10, 9. Good. Last 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, 1. 10 seconds break, running on the spot, guys, weighted. So we're going to keep one weight on top of our chest, elbows down, and we're going to run with it. Knees in. If you want to make it tougher, you can slightly open your legs in and out, bring them in, and then bring them out. So you also feel the crunch in your lower abs and sides. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, 1. Good.
I find this very tough.
Yeah, 5 seconds, another round, Aisha, stay ready. 3, and then we're going to get into a break. Then you can have your water. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 20 seconds. 20 seconds, guys. We're about to get done with round 1. 15 seconds, Aisha, come on. Keep running. 10 seconds. Good. Now she's bringing the legs in and out. Good. 3 seconds, Aisha, come on. Very good. 3, 2, okay, 1. That was great. 40 seconds break. I hope you guys had fun. 10 seconds down, 30 seconds. You got to be ready all over again. Guys, जैसे आशा ने बताया था, if you have water bottles at home, so you can, अगर weight नहीं है, तो water bottle use कर लो, ठीक है? It's going to add some weight to your workout.
Or anything heavy.
Anything heavy. If you have books, a heavy book, you can even use that. Okay, 10 seconds, Aisha. We're going to start off with round 2. So we're going to start all over again. Weighted squats.
Weighted squats.
Arm pura seedha hai. And you're jumping. 3, 2, okay, 1, let's go. Okay, I'm going to jump, but keep it check on your posture. Okay, looks amazing. Keep tracking. Good. Keep squatting. Okay, still have 10 seconds. Give me another 3 reps maybe. 3, 2, last one. Okay, 1. That's a break, guys. 10 seconds. Good. That was kick-ass, by the way. 5 seconds, Aisha. Come on, stay ready. We're going to do this another time. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Guys, Tabata is just 20 seconds, so make sure you don't take added breaks between the interval. लेकिन जहाँ पर लगता है कि बहुत tired हो गए हो, take a quick 2 seconds off, but don't forget to restart. Good. 5 seconds. 4, maybe 2 more reps. 1 more. Good. That's a break, Aisha. That was amazing. Weighted jacks. So now we're going to grab one weight. As we get into a jack, open jack, हमारे arms ऊपर जाते हैं with the weight. 3 to 1. Let's do this together. 1, 2, 3. Okay, keep tracking. Good. Good. That's the break. We're going to do another round. Stay ready. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2. Okay, 1. Let's go, Aisha. Good.
Ow.
क्या हुआ? अच्छा, बैक को बहुत टिल्ट कर रहे हो, बेंड कर रहे हो पीछे. बैक को बिल्कुल यूज नहीं करना, लोअर बैक को. Good. Because you have an added weight. Just be careful with the back. 3, 2, okay, 1. That's a break, guys. Amazing. Lateral fingers करने, नीचे वाले या break देना है अपने body को. Okay. Up you go, girl. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. In and out. Yes. You can't do it a little faster? Maybe? Okay, good. 10 seconds. Good. Last 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, okay, 1. That's a break. That's a break. We're going to do another round, guys. Stay ready. Yeah. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, okay, 1. Let's go, item 1. Timers. Guys, side movements. Each exercise twice on 20 or 10 off. That's Tabata for you. 10 seconds. Good. Okay, 3, 2, okay, 1. That's a break. Then yes, squats and jack, we have 2 movements more. And then we're going to get into a longish break. 3, 2, so we're going to get into squats and jack. Good. Good.
Ow, my thigh is cramping.
Thigh should be cramping, but that's probably you're dehydrated. Okay, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, okay, 1. That's a break.
What you eat is so important.
Yeah.
अगर आप लोग dehydrated हैं, फौरन आपकी body पे आता है.
3, 2, 1. We're going to do another round. Let's go, Aisha. And yeah. And yeah, good. Yeah, your knees are fine. So she's jacking. She's opening up her arms with the jack. And then she brings her feet in. She gets into a narrow squat. So that's a squat with a jack. Good. 3, 2, okay, 1. That was actually amazing. Okay, 5 seconds. We're going to get into weighted running on the spot. Aisha's favorite. Running. I know she hates running on the spot. Let's go, Aisha.
How do you know?
I don't know. Yeah, I can feel it.
I really hate
You
it.
do it so well, but I don't know. I can still feel it that you're hating the movement. Good. 10. बस खत्म हो जाए ना? Okay, 5. Aisha, come on. 4, 3. Looks good. 2, 1. Awesome. We're going to do another round, guys. 20 seconds. Stay ready. 5 seconds. Aisha, you're super, by the way. You don't stop. 3, 2, 1. Great. Great energy, guys. Come on. Good.
Mashallah, mashallah.
Mashallah, nazar na lage. Everyone, please say mashallah.
To your own energy.
Yeah, and hers too. She doesn't stop, literally. Good. Last few seconds, Aisha. Come on, bring the knees in. A little higher. Last 3, 2, 1. Good. Round 2 is done.
Bas, khatam.
Nice.
What? Ow. Be careful, जो weights नहीं चाहिए.
वो please side पे कर दे.
वो printed carpet पे ना.
Last time हमने 3 rounds किए थे. You wanted another one. So should we stick with 3 or should we do 4? Up to you. Good.
कितना time है? शुरू?
20 seconds? No, no. You
Oh,
still have
no.
20 seconds. You can have a sip of water. Chill, relax.
The bell scares me.
Yeah. Aren't you out of the frame? Okay, 10 seconds. Stay ready, Aisha. We're going to start all over again. So weighted squats. One weight. The center. Regular squat. Feet as wide as the shoulders. Drop. One. Round 3. Let's kick this round, guys. Good. Good. Keep shaking, keep moving. Knees are fine. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2. Okay, 1. Good.
I think we'll stick to 3 rounds.
3 rounds. Let's do 3, yeah. 5 seconds, even I'm tired. 2. Okay, 1. Let's go. In and out. That's good. She's breathing in as she's going down, as she's contracting the muscles, and she exhales when she opens up. Good. 10 seconds. Aisha, don't stop right now. We're sticking to 3 rounds, guys. 5 seconds. We've done abs. 7-8 minutes. 15 minutes to Tabata. That's more than enough. And 5-6 minutes. Okay, good. For the warm up. Okay, stay ready. We're gonna get into weighted jacks. Aisha, 4 more. Less than 4 active minutes. Good. 3, 2. Okay, 1. You want to do some rest? Good. You jack and the weight goes up. Good. Keep jacking. Nice and easy. Okay, you still have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, 1. That's a break. We're going to do another round. Less than 3.5 minutes, guys, and then we're done. And we're going to get into a cool down. 3, 2. Okay, 1. Let's go, Aisha. Come on. Good. 20 seconds. Keep tracking. You can even take it slow if you feel that, you're getting tired, you're getting exhausted, so you can take it easy. Throw momentum, apna pace thoda slow kar sakte ho. 5, 4, 3, 2, okay, 1. Break. Last 2 timers. Okay, 3, 2, okay, 1. Let's go. Okay, looks good. Her hands are as wide as the shoulders, right under her shoulders. And look at her, what she's doing. She's bringing in left knee to right elbow and then right knee to left elbow. Good. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2. Okay, 1. That's a break. We're going to do another round.
Just feeling so hot.
Last 2.5.
So hot.
That's good. Sweaty and hot. 3 seconds. 2, 1. Let's go, Aisha. Come on. Good. जब हम ये finish कर लेंगे, so we'll be left with 2 last movements, guys. Don't miss out. 10 seconds. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7. Basic, easy workout, guys, that you can easily do at home. 3, 2, 1. Good.
You have a fan?
Fan चला दो?
ये दोनों on कर दो यार.
अच्छा ठीक है. Squats and
I'm
jacks.
feeling very.
Dizzy?
Yeah, my temperature is rising.
Okay, squats and jacks. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Jack and a squat, narrow squat, jack and a narrow squat, jack and a narrow squat. Okay, good. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2, okay, 1.
Oh, thank God.
That's a break. Okay. First come. The last 1 minute, 1 active minute, guys. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, Aisha. Jack and a squat, jack and a squat, jack and a squat, jack and a narrow squat, jack and a narrow squat. Mat के अंदर ही रखो अपने दोनों foot या. Good. Squat. Good. 5 seconds. 4. 1 more maybe, and then take a break. Good. Break. Now we are running on the spot, guys. So stay ready. 1 last movement. We're gonna pick up 1 weight. We're gonna keep it on top of our chest. Elbows are facing down, and we're gonna run together. Good. 20 seconds. Looks good. Last 15. 10. Longish of your breath slow. I think you do better. Okay, good. 5. Good. 4. Yeah, like that. 3, 2. Okay, 1. That's a break. Last 20 seconds, guys. Stay ready. I should 1. Last 20. 3, 2. Okay, 1. Let's go. Run, run, run. Good. Last 15. Keep running. Okay, 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds of the workout, guys, and then we're done. 5, 4, 3, 2, okay, 1.
What's the time?
Amazing. Okay. So it's 10:07.
Yeah, we're done.
Huh. We're done.
Sorry guys. If you want,
नहीं, I think बहुत
तो
था.
आप लोग कर सकते हैं एक और राउंड टबाटा का.
Yeah.
लेकिन मैं नहीं कर रही भाई आज.
I think this is more than enough. We had abs too, na, in the beginning. So 22 minutes का workout हो गया. Stretches के साथ roughly like 26, 27 minutes. That's more than enough.
Fan on हो गया, so let's cool down quickly.
Yeah, very quickly. So let's get into a child pose. Again, rest your palm on your shoes. Hands down, head down. Take deep breaths. 3 breaths in and out. And then we're going to switch. One more. Okay. Release. So what we can do now is we can get up, we can stand, and we can get into lower body stretches because हमने lower body ज़्यादा use किया आज. So again, okay. Place कर दो क्या इसका उल्टा है. So we can grab one foot, we can stick it to our palms, with both the hands. We can squeeze our upper back, and we can stay there. Look at something that's not moving. Yeah. 3 breaths, in and out, and then just switch to the other side. Okay, switch to the other side now. Other leg. Yeah. Grab it. जब अच्छा हाथ straight करने की कोशिश करो, तब और उसको हाँ. थोड़ा सा आगे अगर lean हो जाओ. Yeah. Now you're gonna feel a nice stretch. Okay. That is good. So now we're gonna breathe in. We're going to breathe out. We're going to do this 3 times. So we're going to breathe in. We're going to breathe out. You can even shake, roll your neck as you're doing any stretches, guys. Okay, good. We're going to get into side lunges. So legs wide. We're going to get into static holds. Yeah. So 3, 2 on one side. 1. Yeah. 3 breaths. So you're going to hold it. Take 3 breaths. Side lunges. Okay, switch to the other side. Are you feeling a nice stretch in your inner thighs? Back straight, shoulders up. Okay, looks good. As our legs are wider, we're going to get into back stretches. So we're going to get into an in and then out. Okay, looks good. In and then out. We're going to get into an in. We're going to get into an out. That looks good. Again. We're going to stand up, get into 3 rolls of what we did, release. Okay.
Can I just...
Yeah. I'm going to hold it with you. Looks nice. Is my head drop करना होता है?
Yeah, sometimes you can do this one.
Yeah. And it helps with the blood circulation too now. You've dropped your head down, so it's nice. Yeah.
Oh, so good.
So good. Cross-legged bed check. You can get into butterflies. You can shake. Guys, like I said, we're sticking to some basic stretches that we've been doing, and we're going to change a few from tomorrow. ठीक है? So, वो दोनों को पकड़ लो. Feet go, and then you can shake. Make sure that you know your back is in line, straightened out, your core is engaged. And try to, when you're shaking your knees, try to be closer to the floor. That's the way you're going to feel a lot of stretch, you know, in your entire legs. Yeah. You can even roll, shake your neck, you can shake your head, keep your eyes shut, shut your brains. Do this for another 2-3 breaths.
खाने पक रहे हैं घर में. Dinner time, guys. Dinner time.
Yeah. So yeah, we can.
Listen, can we do that one?
Which one?
वो एक टांग वाला.
Karo? Oh, okay. One in and one out?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's do that.
that.
So one foot in, the other leg. Aja Shaviz, come if you want. Yeah.
Shaviz,
Come.
come and stretch with us. Please.
One stretch.
Ajo yaar. He's wearing denim shorts, so.
It's
No.
okay.
Who cares, yaar?
Who cares about your
It's
hair?
very cute.
Come sit here
Look
with
at
me.
my hair. इतने cute लग रहे हैं बाल.
Hey, come sit here. Oh, Mama's so sweaty. So yeah, and you're wearing denim shorts. Go leg stretch. Yeah. Bend. What she's doing. Great.
शावेज जो हैं वो शहर के छोटे से प्रिंस हैं
Yeah.
और बहुत ही वेल बिहेव्ड हैं और बहुत ही तमीज़दार हैं और बहुत स्वीट हैं.
बस messy hair में रहते हैं हाँ.
That's alright.
Okay, now you're doing the other side. Looks good.
शावेज लॉकडाउन कैसा जा रहा है?
Good.
मजा आ रहा है.
Schools are off. Yeah.
स्कूल नहीं मिस कर रहे यार. Your friends? You must miss your friends.
Oh, okay, amazing.
Okay, so you meet them? दूर दूर
Not
से.
really. Yeah. है ना?
दूर दूर से मिलने का क्या मजा है यार.
Okay, bring the feet in. Yeah. You know this?
अच्छा हम क्या कर रहे थे?
Oh,
हाँ.
हम चार पोस्ट कर लेते हैं.
हाँ, कुछ और करें?
करो.
नेक का करें?
नेक का क्या करना है?
We can just sit like this
Okay.
and just rotate our necks. Oh, हमने वो नहीं किया हाथ वाला.
Biceps वगैरह.
नहीं आता नहीं.
Okay. आज lower body हमने बहुत use किया actually.
Oh,
This is good.
all that phone use.
Ow.
Oh, Shaviz, how much time do you spend on your iPad every day? 1 month, okay, I guess.
Yeah, thankfully. And then Mama locks the iPad.
ये वाला.
Okay.
Shaviz,
live
live
by
by
the
this with
stretches.
us. एक हाथ आगे करो and press your fingers down. उल्टा, उल्टा करो.
Let me check you guys out in the frame.
Is it still live?
Yeah.
हम तो भूल जाते हैं यार कि
Yeah, I know.
हमारे
अपनी
सामने
बातें शुरू कर
कोई
दी.
कैमरा भी है. Sometimes we forget, Shaviz, that we're live on Instagram. And then we're like, oops, people are listening and watching.
Everyone's saying mashallah. Sending lots of hearts by the way, so that's
लेकिन हमने
nice.
comments बंद नहीं किए थे.
नहीं.
Oh. Okay, then we'll read all your comments later, guys. और अगर आपने कोई
Okay.
बुरे comments किए हैं,
No, please come live whenever you're working out. It's amazing.
thank you.
We like such kind of comments.
But if I see bad comments later, मैं आपका नाम नोट करूंगी एक पेपर के ऊपर, फिर मैं आपके अकाउंट पे जाऊंगी और आपको हमेशा के लिए ब्लॉक कर दूंगी.
There are a million comments. How would you do that?
No, there won't be a million. I'll skim through.
Yeah.
I'll skim through. है ना शाबिज?
Quarantine में और क्या
बुरी
करें?
बातों का तो नहीं है ना.
Time
नहीं है यार बुरी बातों का. बुरी बातें नहीं होनी चाहिए. What would you do, Shaviz, if somebody said something bad to you? What would you do?
Tell mom.
Tell mom. नहीं भाई, खुद face करना. What will you say to that person? If somebody said something bad to you, what will you say?
Oh my.
Tell me, I want to know. I'm very curious.
What would you say to him?
No, you tell me. What will you say? What? क्या बोलना चाहिए अगर आपको कोई बुरी चीज बोलेगे तो आप उसको बुरी चीज वापस बोलोगे या आप उसको कहोगे कि यार नहीं ऐसे ना करो. What would you do? Come on, you can say anything. There's no right or wrong answer.
He's like thinking, huh?
अपना पोस्ट करो, चाहे पोस्ट. There's no right or wrong answer, Shaviz. Anything. What would you like to do? Nothing.
I think he's busy stretching. Nothing.
You'll be quiet.
Yeah, but sometimes I don't need weird stuff.
That's a great answer. You'll be quiet. हाँ भाई खामोश रहेंगे हम कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे लेकिन ब्लॉक जरूर करेंगे.
हमेशा के साथ शेयर बोलते हैं.
Should we do a dead man pose? उसको dead man pose कहते हैं.
हाँ हाँ.
ले जाएं?
Yeah, ले जाओ.
Alright guys, we're going to chill and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Seher and Shahbaz. हम कल मिलेंगे 9:30 इसी जगह पे with a new workout. I think we'll be doing lower body tomorrow.
Yeah,
है ना?
lower body,
Leg
yeah.
day, my favorite. So see you guys tomorrow.
Bye guys.
Bye. चलो भैया हम लेट रहे हैं.
अच्छा,
So
इसको-
you can end the session.
End कैसे करूँ?
Just press end. You'll find it somewhere.
Okay, cool. End.
And then it says share to story.
Are you sure that you want to end the live video? Should I end again?
Yeah, of course I do.
No. Okay. End.